Hello dear students. Today I have taken question number 35 which is related to guarantee and let me tell you, let us revise what we did in the guarantee earlier. Guarantee of profit given by the partner to another partner. So there were three cases: guarantee given to a particular partner by remaining partner in the old ratio, when guarantee flows from partner to partner in the old ratio. Here guarantee is given to a particular partner by the remaining partner in a specific ratio. So here also partners are giving to a particular partner in a specific ratio. This was old ratio, specific ratio, and in the third case when guarantee is given by only one partner to another partner. Now this is the fourth case where guarantee is given by partner to the firm. In the previous cases, guarantee was not given by the partner to the firm. Guarantee was given by partner to another partner. But here partner is giving guarantee to firm. And this is normally you will find this relating to minimum earnings. So normally you will find such type of cases when partner wants to join a particular firm and that firm is doing a very business very well, but this partner, new coming partner, gives a guarantee to the firm that you please take me as a new partner, because I am giving that after joining this firm I will be able to give minimum earnings of a particular earning which is mentioned in the numerical. So we have already discussed numerical on these three cases. So today we will be discussing numerical on fourth case. So let us start. For that I have taken question number 35 of NCERT's book. Let us read this numerical. Amit, Babita and Sona form a partnership firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1 subject to the following. So three partners, Amit, Babita and Sona, 3:2:1. Sona share in the profits guaranteed to be not less than 15,000 in any year. So this is an old case. Sona, you are giving guarantee to Sona that his share should not be less than 15,000. So who is giving guarantee? Remaining partners. Remaining partners are Amit and Babita, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So they will be giving guarantee in the remaining ratio because question is silent in this regard. So if question is silent, we assume that they are giving guarantee in the old ratio. Babita gives a guarantee to the effect, now Babita, this second partner, gives guarantee to the effect that gross fee earned by her for the firm shall be equal to her average gross fee of the preceding 5 years when she was carrying on profession alone. So in this case, she is specifying that gross fee earned by Babita will in the previous 5 years which will not be less than 25,000. तो उसने गारंटी दिया कि उसका जो ग्रॉस फी वो फॉर्म के लिए अर्न करके लाएगी वो 25,000 से कम नहीं होएगी. तो इन दिस केस पार्टनर इज गिविंग गारंटी टू द फर्म. द नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द फर्म year ended 31st March 2017 is 75,000. Now what happened actually? The gross fee earned by Babita is 16,000, but she promised for 25,000. So there is a deficiency of how much? 9,000. Now who will recover this deficiency? This deficiency will be recovered by Babita, and you are required to show profit and loss appropriation account after giving the effect to this. So let us start. First of all, we will make the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Now before doing this format, let me write the heading. This is case 4 where partner gives guarantee to the firm. And here one more condition is that partners are giving guarantee to another partner also. Yes. So let us start. You know the format of profit and loss appropriation account? Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. You have to write everything when you are attempting numerical in the exam for the year ended 31st March 2017, debit, credit. Yes. So here will be a particular amount in rupees, particulars and amount in rupees. Yes, let us start. Now, first of all, we will write by net profit brought down. How much net profit brought down is there? It is 75,000. Now, because we have already read the question, there is a deficiency. So, we are writing this profit in the inner column. So, how much deficiency is there? Let us write it here. Babita has given a guarantee that gross fee earned by her will not be less than this. But how much she has earned? She has earned only 16,000. This is actual and this is guaranteed fees. So whenever guaranteed amount is more than actual, whether this is case 1, 2, 3, but if guaranteed amount is more, in that case you have to exercise this guarantee. So there is a deficiency of 9,000 which will be recovered by Babita. So let us write here, add deficiency recovered by Babita. This is 9,000. Thereafter we will distribute the profit. So first step, very important, if partner has given guarantee to the firm, so first of all you need to make correction in the profit. You have to make profit equal to the profit after guarantee. If you ignore this, then there will be a wrong calculation. So this is first step, very important step. Step 1, that you have to provide the exact fees which is earned by Babita, so she will recover this deficiency. Now you are having a profit of 84,000. Now their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So let us divide this 84,000 in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3/6 multiplied by 84,000 for first partner. First partner is Amit. So let us see how much Amit will be getting. Amit will be getting 6, 1, 2, 4, 42,000. And second partner 2/6 into 84. So this will be 3. And this will be 28,000. 1/6 into 84. So this will be 14,000. So these are their profits. So here again second guarantee. This is first guarantee. Guarantee given by partner to the firm. And this is second guarantee where there is a shortage of Sona's share. So let us do to profit. We used to write to profit transfer to partner's capital account. I told you whenever guarantee is there, you need to make 2 inner columns before this line. Then only you will be able to present it in a better manner. So first partner is Amit. Let us write Amit's profit. Amit's profit is 42,000. Then leave a gap. Write this is Amit's capital. Then leave a gap. Then write the profit of Babita. Babita's capital. How much? Babita's capital is 28,000. Babita will be getting 28,000 share in the profits of the firm. Lastly, Sona. He is a guaranteed partner. Sona's capital, it is 14,000. So they both are going to recover. How much they are going to recover? There is a deficiency on Sona's profit. So guaranteed profit was 15,000. So here guaranteed profit is more than actual share of profit, while actual share of profit is 14,000. So there is a deficiency of 1,000 which will be borne by remaining partner. Remaining partners are Amit and Babita in their remaining ratio. Their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So remaining ratio means remove this. This is their remaining ratio is 3:2. So let us divide the deficiency. See, Babita is double loser. In one case she have to recover the firm also and she has to recover Sona also. So let us write it here. We are dividing 1,000 the 3:2 ratio. So 600 will be borne by Amit and 400 will be borne by Babita. Less deficiency borne for Sona. How much? This is 600. So if you deduct 600 from this, this will be 41,400. Now let us make this deficiency adjustment from Babita's account of deficiency borne for. I am speaking also, if this is not clear to you, go by that also. Deficiency borne for Sona. How much? This is 400. So you will deduct 400 from this, then this will be 27,600. Then Sona's capital, Babita, Sona, Amit. Sona's capital, add deficiency recovered by Amit. How much is recovering? 600. Deficiency recovered by Babita is 400. So the total profit is 15,000. So I hope all the points up to this is clear to you. Now if you add it up, you will get 84,000. So this is how we are required to show the guarantee whenever partner gives guarantee to the firm. This is the fourth case. So I hope all the points must be clear to you. Now in this case, one more important point is that if you are required to calculate how much Babita will be getting finally. So Babita will not be getting 27,600 because she has to recover this deficiency also. So can you calculate amount of profit which Babita will be getting? 27,600 minus 9,000. So if you deduct 9,000 from this, you will be able to get 18,600. So the profit of Babita will be, final profit of Babita will be 27,600 minus 9,000. So this will be how much? Yes, it will be 18,600. So now this question finishes your treatment of guarantee. We have done guarantee in all the cases. Now you practice all the numericals from NCERT. Now your first chapter is over. Now I'll see if I find particular question which is to be done with you. I'll do that. Otherwise, this chapter is completed. So you complete all the questions up to 43. Till 43 you can practice all the numericals. And moreover, you are required to do all the examples of NCERT also. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.